Country like Pakistan face unemployment challenges every day. There is almost more than 200 million population in Pakistan, and that means the job market is highly competitive, which means there is not enough job opportunities out there in the market. But where there is a will, there is a hope. That means if we want to have a good living and achieve a financial stability, then we have to earn in dollars. And that is only be gained by learning certain skills. Skills that are essential to have the opportunity to earn in dollars. We can make more money in dollars, and then we are confident enough, because earning in dollars in Pakistan is considered best due to stability. Person earning in dollar is confident enough that he or she is not going to be affected by the inflation. So that means there are certain skills in the market that you can learn, and they have a high demand out there in other countries. In other countries are also willing to pay the premium amount. But the problem is these skills are not easy to learn. You have to face certain hardships, certain hard work, then you have to achieve those skills. There are certain steps that you can follow to achieve these skills. Number one is that you have to identify the interest. What is your interest? There are many people, their interests are alike, but there are certain people, their interests are totally different from the rest of the world. That means we have to first of all recognize what our interests are. Let's suppose if we are learning the skills apart from our interest, that means we are going in the opposite directions. And then we will not be putting our efforts, our hard work in that. And once we are not putting our hard work or efforts in that, that means that we are not giving our full potential to learn those skills. And this way we are not going to earn more, because we are not going to attract the clients more to earn the dollars. For that, you have to be confident enough that yes, I am best in this skill, and I will definitely to go to learn more about it, to explore more about these skills. Only then you can work forward in that field, and then you can attract more clients and then earn more dollars. You have to see what you are good at. Like the second thing is you have to go research in demand skills. That means what is in the market nowadays? What is rising in the market nowadays? There are certain skills that were good in the past, but now they are retarded. They are no more existing in the market. So we are not supposed to learn those skills because that's of no use. So we are only choosing from those skills that are in demand in the market. For example, nowadays the best one of the best are the graphic designing, digital marketing, content writing. So these are the skills you should be choosing from, and then these skills can give you the best out of all. That means you can earn a handsome amount of dollars from that. And once the dollars are coming to Pakistan, that means the economy is rising. That means you are getting a handsome amount for your financial stability. And a person is confident enough that they are not be involved in the inflation that is arising in the country nowadays. So he is getting more of the money in return than as comparing to the Pakistani rupee. So for that, skills to learn, you have to attend certain workshops, you have to take certain online courses as well. So without these things, I don't think so it is possible to get hands on these skills. You have to get the workshops on trying to gain the access to those programs, get search online of the courses that are related to the skills you are interested in. I just gave you a few examples, but it's not necessary that only these are the examples you can take. You can take according to your own interest. There are much more like freelancer, and you can go for the companies like Amazon, eBay. So you can learn about the skills, how to run those, and how to put your profit in that, how to sell your goods in these websites. So that can only be done if you're going to take certain classes online, or if you're going to attend certain programs and certain workshops. Only then you can do it. Then the second thing is you have to build a portfolio. It is like you have to, it's a kind of a CV. You have to build what you are good at. You have to write. You have to highlight your abilities in it. Only then the clients get attracted. Let's suppose if you are good at content writing, then you have to mention in your portfolio that you are excellent in that, and you have the ability to write whatever is given by the client, and then you can charge a handsome amount of it. Let's suppose there was one of my friends in Pakistan here, so she was very good at writing the resumes. So she was getting the job from the clients sitting in America and you can say Canada, England, and she was actually demanding whatever she wants, and they were ready to pay her. The reason behind that was that she was very much good at writing, and she knows her abilities, and still she is doing the same. She's writing resumes for the companies and for the people individually. So this way she has a hands-on her abilities, and for that, first of all, she attended workshops. She worked hard to gain skills, to gain excellent coverage on her own efforts, on her own inner hidden talent. So this way you can write your abilities in your portfolio. Only then, if the portfolio is very attractive, only then the clients can be coming to you. If you are just mentioning certain things just in a normal way, then obviously no one will be willing to even read that portfolio. But if there is certain weightage in that portfolio, definitely clients will read it and consider that there is something behind that the person who is writing all that and who is asking for a job. Then there will be a certain time you can ask for the pay of your desires, and they are ready to pay you whatever you are asking for, because in return you are paying them whatever they want, right? So this way, this is the best way. So you have to build a portfolio in a very attractive way to bring the customers towards yourself. Just imagine yourself as if you are a jewelry piece in a jewelry shop, and you have to be very shining and shimmery just to attract the customers, so they are ready to pay anything just to buy you. So you are your own market. So after that, you have to find the clients who need your services. Once everything is done, you have taken the workshops, you have taken the classes, you have done the programs, you worked your hard, you know your skills the best way, then you can find your clients. You can go to the market, search online for the clients, move to that area where you know your skills will be sold. So this is the best way to consider your skills, and this way, if you will be experienced on your skills, definitely you will earn more, and earning in dollars means more money is coming to Pakistan, and if more money is coming to Pakistan, more people will get the financial stability, and this way they will be earning more and helping Pakistan to economically gain more power. Thank you so much.